no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This time I'm reviewing the wig from Outre. She is from the Melted Hairline series, and her name is Lucienne. She is in the color DR Copper Orange, and she is 22 inches. So let's get right into it. Okay. So she does come with 3 combs, adjustable straps, and the elastic band for a glueless finish. So this is what her hairline looked like before I began to pluck her. What I really enjoy about the Melted Hairline series is that I am able to customize the hairline the way I want. Now, again, for my avid wig wearers, you know this hairline is just not enough for us. We gotta pluck. We gotta add our own spin to it. So if you do got your tweezers, be prepared to pluck. So yes, like I said, with the Melted Hairline series, I love how this wig and this lace gives you enough space to actually customize the hairline while plucking. You know how certain lace fronts, they kind of give you, I wouldn't even say an inch. They'll give you like a little centimeter of like hairline to work with for you to pluck it, and yeah, it just look a mess. But I love how this gives you enough space to do whatever you want if you decide to pluck her. So all the products that I am using, you will see a picture of it. If not, I'll try my best to kind of put it below in the description box. If you do so happen to hear my son or nursery rhymes in the back, y'all, he just waking up. It is 7:59 right now, so I am trying to give y'all this video. I love when I see the difference in the hairline after plucking. It just looks so freaking good. Look at that. So next I am using an edge booster to push my, my hair back so it can be a little slicker, so it doesn't have to collide with my wig cap or the lace when I am adding that glue. So let's talk about this texture, right? So this texture does give off a shine. This texture is more on the silky side. So if you're not a fan of silky hair, please be prepared to use some type of wig hack to kind of minimize that shine. I had to get the big can because I hate running out of this spray, y'all. So this is what she's giving. Very much scalp, y'all. So overall, I'm really loving this wig. I love how easy it was to put on, but if you're not a plucking type of girl, you will be needing to pluck just a tad bit. What I will say about this texture, like I said, she is silky. As far as the shedding and tangling, she didn't shed as much, but she did tangle. So be mindful of, you know, the tangles. Make sure you get you a wide tooth comb or a little wig brush. But yeah, so I'm like, okay, well, maybe I shouldn't have her all the way down. I'm just going to put like 2 little cute little braids. Overall, this was a very cute unit. If you are thinking about picking her up, everything about her, again, like I said, will be in my description box below. So that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would like to thank Outre for sending me this unit to review for you guys. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. Make sure y'all are letting me know how y'all feeling her in the comment section. Make sure y'all subscribing if y'all want to see more. And also, if you want to connect with me more, everything about me will be in my description box below. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.